Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to solve the problem of the application not being installed. It is a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before starting the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. After that, you go to the settings search engine and write install applications from external sources or write install applications from unknown sources, depending on what appears to you. Just write the application install applications from sources and the completion will appear to you. After that, click on it. Then here all the applications that I have on my phone will pop up. If you are trying to install an application, for example, and you downloaded it from Google, the Google browser, click on Google and click on Allow installation of applications from external sources. The important thing is where the source from which you want to install the application is. You activate the installation of the application from applications from external sources. This is the first solution, my friend. The second solution is to go out and go to the interface of your phone. After that, you click on the settings icon. After that, you click on Applications, then click on Applications again. After that, you search for the Google Play Services application. Play or Play Store among the applications that you have here. Click on Play Store. What is that? Click on Storage, then click on Clear Data. Don't worry, it will not delete any applications that you have previously downloaded from the Google Play Store. We will only reset the Play Store settings to the default settings, and thus the problem will be solved. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.